Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm a modding addict. So basically there's going to be no videos today or tomorrow because I've been playing with mods again. We'll get round to what this particular script is supposed to do and what it's not doing. I can show you. Somebody had a CB aerial. I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to make one. But I want to make it bend and flex and do things that other CB aerials do in real life. This is what we've got so far. It doesn't go sideways though, which really annoys me. But anyway, we'll get back to that part. What else have I been doing this week? What other crappy excuses have I got for not doing videos? Yeah. It just sat here. That aerial took all of my recording time on the night shift, or the night before the night shift, which is why there's no videos, because I should have been recording videos and playing the game, and I was trying to get a pissy little CB aerial to flex. Oh. And there was also the never-ending issue with Blender and Bones. Goddamn Blender. But we've got something to possibly try with that as well. I'll get back to that one. We're going to start with this. Basically, to make it flex, I was using the same business from... Is that the right one? No, wrong one. There we go. The exhaust effects, because that makes it flex, depending on what you're doing. Yeah. The forward and back part works. It's all this crap here. From there to that bit I've just lost. Shoot. Where is it? There. And some other bits in between that you've got to track down and add. Great fun. Not. But I've been spending a lot of time on GDN studying, and I've ended up with this little line here that I need to do a print on right now. It would help if you actually copied it. Go. Come here. Alright, here's the problem part. It's not giving me a value which actually makes it work. To print it, it just gives you a lot of shit. Do I have it printing? Yeah, there we go. And you get the points it puts in. It doesn't do enough. There's no sort of variation, so the script doesn't do anything. It doesn't pick up on anything. It's annoying as hell. I think I'm done with this. Yes, I believe I am. Okay, peace out. And you. Yes, peace out. Right, we're here. So this print here is failing epically. But I'm hoping this is going to give us what we need. If this gives me a value, we are golden. If it gives me a value. It's just going to be like a short video showing you where I kind of am with this and how I've been wasting my time this week. Instead of playing the game, I just can't resist modding. I literally have an addiction. Really? That's all you're going to give me? Well, that was a fail, wasn't it? Unless... Ha ha ha! Okay. So it works on the steering wheel. Doesn't work on the keyboard. On the wheel, that's really cool, because that gives us a huge variation, look. But as far as the keyboard goes, shit. This particular line was also used on that steering mod over on Mod Hoster. Yes, shit. Which is weird. Where are you? Oh, what was it called now? I can't remember. I was looking at it earlier as well. Useful things. This is 5 pages. Oh, Jesus. Oh, come on. Aha. That's better. 5 pages. Yes! It's on page 2. Where are you? That's the one. Keyboard steer. Get lost. You can see this script is kind of complicated, hard to get your head around, but if we come back over here, I'm bloody sure this is in this script. Oh yeah. It's everywhere. Haha! But there we go. So yeah, this is what they're using here to turn. If you've not used this script before, basically when you turn, it turns the camera sort of look where you're driving, and when you go backwards, it flips the camera. It's a nice little script if you're just using keyboard. So it is. Come on, really? Keyboard steer over on Mod Hoster. He did it for 15 as well. Ian Robson uses this quite a lot. I don't know if he still does, but he used to do. But yeah, it works on this. You know what? The way I'm going to run this, I bet it would work. We need to try it anyway. But we are getting values from it. That's awesome. So what I need to throw into here then is, where's the dot? What's ACOS do? Ah, anyway, sheet. Spit it out. ACOS is a cosine. What the hell's a cosine when it's at home? Copy. It's been a while since I've done all the bloody average shit that comes with maths at school. Right, sine, cosine and tangent are the main functions used in trigonometry and are based on a right angled triangle. Before getting stuck into the functions, it helps to give a name to each side of a right angle. Opposite is opposite to the angle. Oh, here we go. Math is fun. Math is not fun. Never in a million years is math fun. Oh dear. It's like they've been watching Big Bang Theory, isn't it? Those guys would enjoy this. No, it was just painful. Opposite is opposite to the angle. Where's the angle? The right angle. Okay, so the opposite sort of the back half. The adjacent is next to it, the bottom. The hypotenuse. Hypotenuse? I can't. Oh, I give up. Is the long one. Okay, yeah. Right then. What's the bloody cosine? Yeah, I don't even need that part. That part is to work out with the original value that's not giving us enough. It's one thing I did want to try actually was changing that to y. Actually, put that back to dot. Why? My theory is that quick demonstration of what I'm trying to get across here. Create light, anything will do. Give me the light. There we go. Zero your ass. Right, your x-axis is what's doing the forwards and backwards. So if we spin round, get this sort of in the right place. There you go. X-axis. Spin it on the x, forwards and backwards. Now, we do want to spin it on the z. Like that. But it's not going to give us what I'm looking for here. Because it's roll, so your tractor doesn't roll that much. Do you get what I mean? But the y does turn. So I'm thinking maybe we can get away with the y. If that makes sense. No, don't need to save it. Do need to put the y in there though. Right, see if that works. If this works, epic. If it doesn't, fuck off. The problem is when you're learning scripting as well, you're in and out of games so much, and just to get in there and see it fail, oh, it's cruel. How is it? Thing's possessed. Well, that looks like a CV aerial. Yeah, but it's going batshit. Okay, that's a fail. That is a fail. Alright then, so X angle dot. We're still playing with the dot. X is okay, yeah, that's for directions. I think that's working. So what I need to do then is change dotty. Correct? Yes. Alright, so dash comments out the line. Dot equals what the hell was it now? Not cosine. God damn it. Axis side. Can I rub it back off here? Yes. not cosine. Bugger off. There we go. In theory, this is going to work. We've got nothing else causing me arse there, have we? What are you? What are you? You don't exist in my script. But it is a self. Oh, if it is a self, we might be alright then. Self is global. You can put something that it's a... My understanding is it's a big table that the game uses called self table. And that means it will work from any script. Like if something's going off in drive control but it's locked in, it started with self, then you can call it from this script, for example. I don't think I've got anything else I can tell you about here. No. Okay, let's test that. This should work. Should. But this is kind of the initial phase as well. I also, when I get the head around this part, I want to add some extra values in to make it wobble properly. Like when you brake, it wants to wobble forwards and sort of reset itself. Fail. Bastard. It just will not do what I'm wanting it to do. But I don't understand which part of the script is doing what that. I mean, it's 10% where we are. Angle divided by dt divided by max steering speed. Something you see makes it flap around. And I don't know what. Because the i3D itself is door. Oh, you shitbag. There you go. There's the mesh. There's the first joint. It's got a bone in it, by the way. There's the second joint. Bony, bony, bony. And that was hilarious. Built the mesh, then had to find a Maya user to stick a bone on it. This is a joke. But that's another argument. Something in here is sending this batshit. I don't know what. Like, there's all these little bits of maths going on to make it speed rotation. Why are you tabbed all the way over there, sunshine? Over there, thank you. Steering percent, that kicks in over here. Alright. So it's something here then, isn't it? So... And that was feeding dotting up there. I'm pretty sure I maybe don't need that anymore now. Okay, new plan. Right, let's get rid of dotty. If you put double dash, square brackets, double, and then close the part you want, it'll block off lines. Rather than just doing the dash dash as well. Ain't scripting fun. Right, I want to do the same with this. Peace out. Get rid of... Where's the direction commented out? I think I needed that, didn't I? No, that was all for that. Last speed, that's used in it. Yes, okay, right. So, what gets called here? I needed steering percent. Angle, dt, ah! Oh, let's try it here. Local steering, capital P, remember the capitals, equals self dot, what was it? Side. Where are you? I can't see it. No, axis side. Let's create some space. Right, so that's steering percent now working. The script's got some crap in it. Let's go. Scripting is a never-ending battle. Especially for me, because I'm just kind of throwing things out in the dark here. On this particular one, I am punching well above my weight. It's all about experimenting. You learn as you go, kind of thing. Oh. Well, it's not been silly. Oh! That explains why it's dark. Line 107. You notice it's all dark on the screen? So line 107 is not happy. Angle got removed. Balls. Okay. So local angle is what exactly? Dotty. I don't really want Dotty up there, to be honest. What is the angle? The angle is the cosine of the dot, which required all this shizzle that we don't have. How do you know if it's turning left or right? Without this crap, there's no way to tell. Bugger. X. If X is that, then angle's minus. So that's how you were turning left or right, isn't it? I don't understand what 3 was doing. But anyway, we broke the script because angle doesn't exist, so it doesn't know what it's doing. So how to repair the angle? Angle's a local, put a value in it. What value could we put in it? 1. 1 would work, wouldn't it? Okay. So local angle equals 1. Control copy. That's supposed to be the other way around. And then we need to grab that again. Just so it's got something to actually be on the X. I might as well put that there. I don't even know if that would work. We'll find out. I only want the X. Alright, test that. There will come a point in this where it'll just work and it will be magic. But until I get there, it's not magic. It's a pain in the ass. Okay. Game's the right colour. Fail. That's something I wanted to add, isn't it? So if I use the steering wheel then, can I actually see it? No, because it's not in a shape or anything. Which direction? It's definitely doing something, isn't it? Kind of, but it's twisting it and rotating it all over the place. Yeah, I need to simplify this. Anyway guys, I'm going to call this video there because it's been an absolute douchebag. Welcome to my world. Sorry there's no videos. They will reappear starting on Monday next week. Because hopefully I'll have this done by then. You never know, it might even be a Monday modding. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Oh well. Thanks for bearing with me. Hope you've enjoyed this. Maybe you learnt something. Maybe you're just as frustrated as I am. Either way, we'll catch you next time.